Hey friends, I'm just uploading stuff to the Creative Vault and I just have to do a really fast preview for you. So here is all of the content that's in the vault and look at these projects. This is from Tracy, who is our 3D expert. She has made some absolutely stunning projects. There's videos for each project, a PDF, gorgeous photos for everything. And then we have our Simply Layered Scrapbooking class that is incredible by Katina Martinez with this gorgeous PDF and video. And then last but certainly not least, I just want to show you, this is Kelly Taylor's incredible watercolor project this month, and it's gorgeous.